Okay, so today we have a short video on how to control the door styles. And let's start with this drawing. Okay, so basically what you want to do on this one, we're going to have a double pair of sliding glass. We want to remove the frame, but we don't want to do it everywhere because then all these door frames will disappear. So what we're going to do is go on that and left click brings up the menu. Let's go to Edit Object Display. Click on that and see we'll have the plan. It gives you all these options. But we're going to click on Plan on the override, and that brings up another menu. Here we're going to go to the frame and just turn off the frame. Click OK. Click OK, and it should have done it just for that particular door. Let's scroll down. Yep, we did good. So once you have that, and we want to do a double sliding glass door, what I'll do is I'll go click on it, bring up my properties box, and I want to keep it open at 100%. No, I'm sorry, 0%. Nope, I think I was right. 100%. No, okay. Back to 0. We're going to open it up 0%. Then what we can do is we can mirror it around one point. Now we've got two sliding glass doors. Open it back up to 50. And now we've got it reversed, of course, but you get the idea. And so we're going to have to now manually go in and put in a frame. Typically those are 2 inches by 4 inches. We'll just do a rectangle at 2 by 4. Oh, I'm sorry, 2 by 4. Oh, jeez. It's one of those mornings. Rectangle at 2 inches by 4 inches. There you go. And we'll just kind of center that right in the opening. Make sure we get it on the proper wall style. Layer. And that's basically it. It's not that difficult once you know how to do it. And basically, obviously we want to take this and get it on the other side too, so that really starts to look like it should. What else can we talk about quickly? The pocket doors. So basically this is made up of a couple of different components. You've got the beginnings there, and then as you can see, we'd like to hollow one side out so we can see that it is really a pocket door. Otherwise it kind of gets lost in the gray when it prints. So you've started great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this wall style, bring it all the way back to the frame. And sort of similar to how we did the door frames, we're going to click on a wall style, and it's going to give us the display again. So it's left click, highlight, and then right click brings up the menu. Edit Object Display. Find the plan and make sure we highlight the override. That brings up the hatches and everything else that we need to manipulate the wall style. I'm going to shut the hatch off on that particular one. That's step 1. Step 2 is we're going to go to it, go back to our properties menu, and change the cleanup group definition. It's typically set to standard, but pick something else like interior wall. That way it's not going to sort of automatically fill it and connect with the other walls. It's going to kind of give it its own thing, right? And as you can see, that would be it. But this brings up another good point. So as you can see, you've put this big door in here, 3-foot door, and obviously if I put open 100%, it's outside. That won't work. Let's be aware of the door sizes and where they're going. Let's start with the 2-8. That might be better. Also note, most doors in residential construction are either 6'8" or 8 foot high. All the doors on this project should be 8 foot high. In most custom homes, they are 8 foot high. So go ahead back and check your properties and make sure all of these are at least 8 foot high. Also, the windows, the window head heights should all be at 8 feet. And I have a note about the window style over across the floor plan, so go ahead and check that out too. But again, the default might be set for 6'8", but go ahead and make those 8 foot if you can, please. let's go back to the door. Sorry for the tangent. 100%. See, that would work better at 2.8. Okay. So we'll just click on that, bring this back up to meet it. Take this wall also and bring it back up. And then what we could do is just copy this little piece off the end here, connect it, trim it, and you're good. That's the easiest way to do it. So you're doing great so far. Just keep going and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.